Kinto is an evidence-based support and training intervention for family caregivers of people living with dementia and other high-intensity caregiving conditions. We focus on caregiver well-being, specifically reducing strain and anxiety and increasing confidence, knowledge, and self-efficacy. The intervention takes place remotely and relies on technology to scale cost-effectively across many caregivers. The Kinto intervention begins with a 1-hour video call with a care coach like me. We make sure that we take the time to see the caregiver holistically and to understand their unique situation. My goal is to create a trusting relationship where caregivers not only share the difficult things they are facing, but also the successes. After the first live coaching session, we continue the conversation over text messaging inside the Kinto app. It's still me on the other end. Caregivers can message me anytime, though they know that I will only respond during business hours. The Kinto app has interactive homework assignments that nudge caregivers to learn about important concepts like what is happening in their loved one's brain as dementia progresses and strategies for dealing with stressful situations. The assignments also ask caregivers to fill in data about their care situation. On my end, I actually see the Caregivers app embedded directly in my coach console on my desktop, where I can see all the information that they are sharing. This helps me to give them better advice and support, as well as further homework suggestions tailored to their individual goals. The Kinto app has a bunch of other useful data tools that help caregivers organize and share important information, like medication lists, allergies, insurance cards, and more. Caregivers use these tools to help them be better prepared for taking their loved one to the doctor or for communicating with other care team members. Once caregivers have completed their first coaching session, they're assigned to a support group of fellow caregivers led by me, their coach. Each week, we explore different themes related to caregiving in a live video conference, and the conversation continues in a group chat in the Kinto app. One of the most beautiful things about the support groups is seeing the light bulb that goes on in someone's mind when they come to the group for the first time. Someone who has been isolated by an experience that can be heartbreaking suddenly realizes that, wow, there are a lot of people who understand what I'm going through. As we all know, caregiving can be challenging, but with the support and guidance that Kinto offers, we believe caregivers can feel more confident and better prepared to address anything that comes their way.